Y'all, it's your girl KDiani here, back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. What it do, boo? Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Enjoy the KD family. Okay, today I'm coming at y'all with this, I guess you can say, feed-in braids with some curly clip-ins. I don't really know what to call it, but it's like a hairstyle that's been trending. Perfect for the summertime. I had to try it before the summertime is over because we just hit September, baby girl. So I had to get this hairstyle in before September 21st, okay? If you already like how this looks, give this video a thumbs up, okay? But I'm not gonna ramble anymore. Let's get straight into the video. All right, you guys, so this is my hair set up. I have my sections that I'm going to be braiding, 7, and then in the back, don't mind my hair here, but in the back, I just braided it. I just braided the back because that's where I'm going to be attaching the clip-ins. So what you're gonna need is 1 pack of braiding hair, and as I mentioned, we're gonna be using the Better Length curly hair clip-ins. This is the 3C4A. If you guys would like to see how I installed it, go check out that video. The card is gonna be on one of these sides. So let's get popping. Let's get it popping. Get it popping. All right, so I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I don't really know if I'm doing this right. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 pieces of hair left out that I'm gonna be adding into the braid. First piece of hair. Second piece. Laugh my ass off. I like doing my hair, but I don't think I could do these. Okay, now we're gonna add the third one. Ooh. And we're gonna add the 4th. I mean, it don't look too bad, right? It don't look too bad though. I'm gonna record doing 1 more, and then I'm gonna speed up the rest. On to the next, on to the next. All right, number 1. Stay close. Number 2. Number 3. Then we can braid some. I'm not the best braider, but to me that looks pretty darn decent if you ask me. Now y'all can't tell me this don't look good so far. Don't it look good? I know this look bad, crazy, but don't it? It look clean, don't it? Child, let's keep on going. Alright guys, so these are the braids. This is my favorite side, clearly. Not too shabby. I did dip them already, and I did my baby hairs. So now, I'm gonna just clip these in the front. And then now, all in the back here, I'm going to be adding my clip-ins from Better Length Hair. They have all different types of textures. This is the 3C4A and in the 16 inches. If you guys didn't go check out my previous video with their hair, feel free to go check it out. Their thing is gonna be right here. Also, make sure you guys go follow them on Instagram. Check out their Instagram. You might see me on their Instagram page. So make sure you guys go check them out. Okay, I really love their hair and they're just bomb. So I did go ahead and just add like one bead on the end of one. And this is like what I got. I'm gonna finish it off with my Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Curl Enhancing Mousse. And I'm gonna put that all throughout my hair and the clip-ins. Alright y'all, so I diffused the hair so that it can be dry, and like, look at the texture. It looks really, really good. And I did not like the ends of the braids. For one, they were too long, so I decided to cut them, and that was dumb of me to do. And two, I didn't like the little scraggly hair sticking out like that, so I decided to put some perm rods on it, and I'm gonna dip them, and then we're gonna see the final look. All right, so this is them once I took them out of the perm rods. They look way better than what they did before. So now I'm just gonna grab a wide tooth comb and kind of just fluff the hair out, because I like volume with my curly hair. So this is the final outcome. I really love it. It looks really, really cute. You know, got the braids going, got the curly hair going. All right, y'all, that about wraps up this video. I'm really loving this hair, really feeling the look, like it's giving the vibes, summertime vibes. As you all know, like I said in the video, these are the Better Length clip-ins, 3C4A, 16 inches. If you guys would like to make a purchase on some natural hair clip-ins that come in several different hair textures, let me throw that out there. Here is my promo code. Make sure you guys use it to get some money off of your purchase. Make sure you guys check out Better Length Hair on Instagram. You might see my little face on there. Okay, so make sure you guys go check out their page. Check out their website. Make sure y'all buy y'all some clip-ins, okay? Because wintertime is coming, honey. You need to protect your hair. Winter is coming, okay? Get you some Better Length hair clip-ins because they're absolutely amazing. If you never checked out my last video on how I installed my clip-ins and did a middle part, make sure you go check that out. It's going to be right here. I don't know which side. That's why I did both. Right here, okay? So make sure y'all go check that out. So like I said, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so that you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, peace.
You know my body never knows.